Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Binance and going straight to trade, choosing Classic or Advanced depending on your comfort. Once the chart loads, type the ticker symbol like BTC/UST in the search box and press Enter to load that market. Make sure your layout is saved to your account so changes persist. If not, create a new workspace. This gets you into the chart view and prevents losing customizations later, so you can immediately change visual settings and indicators. Now change the chart type and time frame to match your strategy. Click the Chart Type button to pick Candlestick, Line, or Heiken Ashi. Different types reveal price action versus smooth trends. Then choose an interval, 1M for scalping, 1H for swing work, 1D for long-term, so the data granularity fits your plan. Adjust zoom and crosshair for precision, and toggle grid lines or background contrast to improve readability. These visual tweaks speed interpretation, and finish by adding indicators and saving the workspace so your changes stick. Open indicators, add moving average, RSI, MACD, or any custom tools, then tweak period, source, and colors for clarity. Once satisfied, click Save or Save as to lock the layout to your profile. If your layout doesn't load later, clear browser cache or re-log in and resave. That one troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues quickly. You'll then be ready to trade with a clean, personalized chart setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.